In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome download failed network error. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Hold the keys together for a moment, then release them. This keyboard shortcut takes you directly to the Browsing Data Settings screen. After pressing the shortcut, you should see a window or settings page labeled something like Clear Browsing Data. Next, look for the time range option near the top of the Clear Browsing Data window. Open that drop-down menu and select All Time. After selecting All Time, check the box for cookies and other site data. Cookies store small pieces of website information in your browser. Now check the box for cached images and files. The cache stores parts of websites, such as images, scripts, and other files, so pages can load faster the next time you visit them. When those options are selected and the time range is set to all time, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will begin removing the selected browsing data. Once the clearing process is complete, Chrome has removed the stored cookies and cached files that may have been blocking or disrupting the download. That covers everything you need to know.